Susan, can you show me how you make a perfect tea?
Well, the perfect tea, according to Delia Smith, she's a very well-known cook, and she would say that tea leaves.
Mm-hmm.
You need to put the tea into a warmed pot. Yeah, it has to be warm so the temperature's constant, and the water never has to be boiling, but at boiling point, never bubbles. So when you leave the kettle to whistle, it's all wrong.
Yes.
So she said you pour the tea into the pot. Now this is a metal pot, which is probably much better because it retains the heat more than the china, or porcelain or whatever. So, or porcelain china. So the leaves would go in first, then you boil, then you don't stir, you just put in the lid, and wait for the tea leaf to sink to the bottom. That's what she did.
And?
But then she would get the cup, right, and then she would pick the cup up and pour it into the tea strainer.
Oh, that's the strainer.
But she said you never put the milk in after, you always put the milk in first. So the milk would always go in first so the tea don't spill when you pour it.
Oh.
Yeah. So
if you don't want milk, you have
yeah,
to.
Yeah,
is it compulsory? You have to have milk?
No. I mean, we never had milk in our tea, but in my mother's generation and my grandmother's generation, they always had milk in tea.
And what happens with this when you put it there? What's the function of this? What it does?
Simply to
a strainer, huh?
Yeah, to collect the tea leaves.
Oh, it doesn't go inside.
No, it wouldn't go inside because
inside the cup.
Yeah, because everybody used to get their sinks blocked up with tea leaves.
Oh.
So
that's the way to make perfect tea.
Well, enter the tea bag thing, but with tea bags it's different.
I think this is good because tea bags give you the taste of paper also.
Well, they can do, and also you can't put the milk in first with tea bags. You have to put the tea in afterwards. And Edison said that's when you spill the tea.
That's a beautiful tray also. I like that. This kind of trays, I love it. It's made of wood, so there is no danger. Also, they put a cloth on the bottom so it will not slip. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you for explaining this.
Well, that's the
way you make a perfect tea.
Well, yeah.